Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, my name is Kristen. So I've already done one eye, and then I've primed my other eye with my concealer from Makeup Revolution in the color C1. Then I'm going into my Sultry palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm taking this color that's gray called Slate, and I'm just going to place that right above my crease. Next, taking this color Dystopian, I'm going to place that with a fluffy brush on the outer corner of my eye, and then I'm going to work it into my crease underneath the gray color. While I'm blending this out, you guys don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below and hit that notification bell because it will let you know when I upload a video and you can come and watch it. I'm going to take this color Noir and I'm going to blend that into the crease and into the corner of my eye also, just a tiny bit, so I can make this color a little bit darker. Then I'm going back over that with Dystopian just to blend it out a little bit more because it was a little bit too dark for me. Going back in with that same concealer from Makeup Revolution in C1, I'm just going to use that to cut my crease, and I'm just using a flat concealer brush to do it. Using this color right here called Steampunk, I'm just going to use a flat eyeshadow brush and just go ahead and press that onto where I cut my crease. I like to press the glitter shadows. I feel like it just, well, it's not really glitter, but it's shiny. I just feel like when you press the shiny shadows, it just works so much better. Going back in with Dystopian, I'm just going to go ahead and blend those two shades together so they don't just look like I stopped with one and started with another. So I have to use both of these so that my eyes look even, but I'm going in with Starfire first. I did this on my other eye and I felt like it just kind of blended in too much with the shadow. So first we're going to go in with this just so it matches, and then we'll use the other one, which is called Midnight Cowboy, and these glitters are from Urban Decay and they are their heavy metal liners. I love these things. They are so pretty, so pretty. This is the Midnight Cowboy that I'm going to use on top of this Starfire. This Midnight Cowboy is my all-time favorite of these heavy metal liners. If you have to get one, I would get this one. I applied my lashes off camera. They are Sassy Since Birth by BoldFace Cosmetics. And then taking my concealer from Makeup Revolution in the color, I think this is I don't know, I'll link it below in the bottom, but I'm just using this to clean up the little area because I did not put tape. And ignore that white stuff on my face, we're going to get to that in a second. See, there it is. I'm using my Too Faced HangoveRx primer. I don't even know what's going on, but anyway, I'm gonna just go over my lashes with my Bad Girl Bang mascara from Benefit, and then the foundation that I'm using today is my Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the color Cocoa. For some reason lately I've just been using brushes, like flat top brushes, to blend in my foundation, but I think I'm going to switch back to my beauty blender because I do love my beauty blender. I don't know, I just like to switch it up sometimes. I'm going to use this All Nighter concealer from Urban Decay. I'm pretty sure it's in the color Deep, but if you open up the description box down below, everything is listed down there. Then I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape concealer just to brighten everything up a little bit. And then of course I'm just going to go ahead and blend out all of those areas. To contour my face, I'm going to be using this Flesh, I think it's called a ThickStick, I'm not sure, but it's in the color something to do with coffee. I'm pretty sure it's espresso, but like I said, look down below. All the names and products I use will be down there, and then I'm just going to go ahead and blend all of that out. I'm just going back over my nose highlight with the Shape Tape just to make it straighter. I always feel like when I blend out my contour it's crooked, so this helps me make it straighter. Using my Sacha Buttercup powder, I'm just going to go ahead and set all those places that I highlighted. And then of course I'm going to dust it off with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Deepest Dark. I'm going to spritz my face with my ColourPop All-Star Setting Spray before I put my highlighter on. This just helps my highlighter not look so powdery. The highlighter that I'm using is Amrezi highlighter by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm just going to apply that to all the high points of my face, my cheekbones, the little bones on my forehead that stick out, my nose, like just the tip of my nose, and my chin. Then I'm going to spray my face one more time just to get rid of the powdery residue. I'm using this color called Media. I'm not sure exactly how you say it, but it's by MAC, and it's just a dark red color on my lips. And that's pretty much it for my lips. That's pretty much it for this look, and my lips too. We're done with those. But I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I actually really like this look. Tell me what you guys think about cool tones. This eyeshadow palette is a cool tone, and I normally only wear warm tones, so this is a little bit out of my comfort zone. So I kind of did like a look that was in my comfort zone, but I'll try something else later. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Bye.